So I'm about to finish my pregame. I need gas. Your girl is on E. Shit. Alright, that's done. I'm so sweaty. But I got my pregame. I finished my pregame. This is my fat burner. My strawberry mango. Oh my god, it tastes just like a mango. This tastes like I am just sucking on a mango. Okay, y'all made it over. So, thank you. Hey, Chanel. So, I was thinking about relaunching my hair oils. What y'all think about that? Like, would y'all support my hair oils? Like, I want to rebrand and everything. Like, thank you. I appreciate that because that damn workout don't be no hoe. But I be trying to just stay strong and get through it and keep my mind right because I want the results. So I be thinking, like, when I be wanting to give up, I be thinking about, like, how my clothes gonna fit, how I'm gonna be just in shape and cut and tone. I be thinking about that. So that's why I keep pushing. But sometimes I ain't gonna hold you. Them new workouts be kind of hard to push through because, you know, I gotta build the muscle up. So I do as much as I can. I really do as much as I can before I just give up. If I stop, it's because I didn't fall. Like, when we was doing these workouts just now, I noticed that I can only do 20 of them without stopping. It used to be 10 reps. I can only do 10 reps of anything, and then I'm stopping. But when I was doing this, I noticed I can only do 20. But that last rep, I actually fought through, and I did 25 instead. So I was happy about that. I fought through, and I did 25. So I'm actually about to go to my daycare. I gotta drop off these menus to my daycare. It's a little cold. I gotta get gas. I'm about to get gas now. So I don't gotta worry about going to go get it when I go get Legend from school. So I'm about to go home and finish working on my computer. Hopefully he there working on my wall. And this actually gets me full. This actually gets me full. Okay, well, they putting a wall up in my house. I'm adding a wall up to my walkway. Like when I walk in my house, it's gonna be a wall there now. Instead of that opening, I'm making it into another bedroom because I want a bedroom on my first floor. So when you walk into my house, it's gonna be a guest room on your right hand side. Instead of it being an open space, I'm making it into a guest room. And I'm putting barn doors up. I will have a productive day. It's already been I get up at 7. Tomorrow I'm gonna get up at 6:45. I need extra time because I gotta go to work. So Blue was like, "Why is you getting braids and you gotta go to court? Like, you're gonna look so ghetto." I don't think I look ghetto. These is dainty braids. Like, I don't look ghetto, y'all. I don't look ghetto. Talking about and the judge is a woman. The judge is a woman. And I feel like the braids as a woman, because if the judge is like, you know, one of them type judge, because I feel like the judge who I went to go see, I don't know if she's the same one that actually put me on this monitor. But I felt like when she was just extra mean, like was doing the most, like she like stroked your girl. So I was like, damn, like, you feel me? So let me find out. Female judges be hating on a bad bitch. I'd rather go in there with braids because you don't know how my hair look. Because if I would have went in there with all my curly hair and full thick hair, you probably would have judged me from that too anyway. It doesn't even matter. I go in there with this. You can't tell how long my hair is, what texture I got, even though all this is my real hair. She did not add no weave. These braids right here is mine. She added the weave down to the braids to make it longer. But all this shit is twins. Rude judges is rude as fuck. Like, she just did the most. Even the prosecutor wasn't even requesting as much as the judge was. Like, the prosecutor was even more cool than the judge was. I feel like the judge just stroked me. Just being extra. No, I got a lawyer. I'm not even dealing with the process. I don't even got to say nothing. Because I hired a lawyer. And I'm not even dealing with the public defender. I'm good. Because my public defender ain't trying to defend me. He just let the judge just say whatever. Didn't even try to back me up. Shit. So yeah, I'm going to court to get this ankle monitor off of me. My lawyer had to put in a motion, because if it was up to the public defender, I would have this on for 12 months before they would consider taking it off. What? But what I do now? What I do now? Is he there to do the wall? Is he there? Is the contractor over there? Yeah, I've been there. They're going to take it off. Oh, yeah, we claiming it. We are claiming it. Nobody, baby. Do y'all y'all be biting the inside of y'all's jaws, or is it just me? Thank you, baby. Cause I be chopping down on my inside. I'm gonna stop doing that. I'm not as bad. Oh, it's the Korean skin routine, baby. This Korean products got your girl glowing, okay? Got me glowing, glistening, shining from the inside out. From the inside out. Oh yeah, I definitely been stopping. It's not as bad. I used to be bad. It's not as bad. But I gotta get gas. I wish you was here so you could pump my gas for me. But unfortunately, I'm by myself right now, so I have to get gas. So that guy, what's his name? The Aki Ali. He got that dance in that song. We go. He came to the gym today, and we all did the TikTok dance with him. So that was fun. If y'all missed my workout, if y'all get on TikTok with me Monday through Thursday at 11 a.m., 11:15, I'll be working out, and y'all can work out with me. So that's where I'll be. I'll be over at TikTok. Man, I am not my kids be driving this car. And you know how that go. They take all the gas, and run the gas out and give it back to me on E. So, unfortunately, I gotta put the gas in. Because that's what they do. I already did work out. Yes, I got kids. 3 of them things. 3 of them things. The Escalade good. The Escalade good. This car, I'm not filling up this car. These kids need to learn. Shoot, because I only be filling it up. I put gas in there what I need. Shoot, I'm already giving them the car. They need to be responsible and put gas in this car, and I got to get an oil change. Shoot, they drive the car more than me. They drive the car more than Ma. Shoot, I'm borrowing the car at this point. I'm borrowing the car. Yes. 17 and 19. My 19-year-old got her license. My 17-year-old goes tomorrow to get his license. So wish him luck. Wish him luck. I'm gonna take him this afternoon to practice. I think all he need, he done been having his tints for like over a year now. So he knows how to drive. He just want to make sure he got some practice with his parallel parking, which I think he should do pretty good. I say we go today and just let him try it and see if he can just do it like that. This sun is shining. I love the sun, y'all. I love being in the sun. Like, yeah, it's just something about, some people can't be in the sun because they, they'll get like sunburn and stuff like that all over their face and shoulders and stuff. Thank God I just tan good. I'll just get me a good tan and I'll be alright. I took my son to the lake yesterday. We went rafting. Oh, we had such a ball. It was so much fun. It was his first experience and he did so good. I got a video of him. I'm gonna edit the video. I gotta post him. Like, he did so good. He looked like Tarzan out there. And he was paddling and he had the rhythm and the flow. I'm like, okay. It was the cutest thing, y'all. But those type of memories is important, that you make sure y'all get with y'all's children if you are a parent. Those is good memories, y'all. And I'm glad that, girl, you are a mama too. And they're pretty. Aww, I love you guys. Absolutely. Yeah, and we as a community can build memories too. We can make memories together. Y'all just keep tapping in with your girl. You feel me? I'll be trying to tap in with y'all. I'll be back and forth between different platforms or whatever. I'm actually really going to be transitioning. Well, trying to. I really want to stream more like on Kick and stuff like that. I haven't really got there yet because you really got to be consistent and it's very vulnerable. Even being live is vulnerable, but when you just on Kick streaming, or you like streaming like that, or even the other streaming platforms, no edits. Like, even this, no edits. But I want to transition to over there. Absolutely. And that is big. Like, it's and that you said that, I feel like in relationships it's very important that everybody, like, and vice versa, like, people that love and support me needs to respect and, you know, my partner, and vice versa. And people that loves and support him needs to respect his partner. Like, I never understand, like, if a man that I know, like, if I'm out and I'm with my man, and another man just so happened to know me and he comes up to me to speak, he needs to also speak to my man, and vice versa. These females, they be coming up to their man. Well, it's kind of different though. It is kind of different, especially when you celebrity. You don't be knowing half of these people either. So I guess sometimes some of the rules get a little bent. Just because, like, you just never know. We might not know neither the man or the female. They just coming up as a fan. They might be a fan of him, be a fan of mine. Who knows? They just want to come up and speak. But you know, if you know, you know. So, but yeah. In a relationship is an understatement. I am off the market, okay? I am unavailable. What you see when I'm here and I'm on live with you guys and I'm tapped in with y'all, we here. That's it. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. Social media is a fantasy, guys. This is a fantasy. Social media is a fantasy. Even for the single ladies and the single men. Y'all should still be off limits on social media. Nobody has a chance on social media. This should all be a fantasy. Social media is not real. Not real. Absolutely not. coming straight in this sunroof. It's just beaming. Beam me up, Scotty. It's like, beam me up, Scotty. Beam me up, Scotty. Who grabbed me quick? I wouldn't say that it was quick because work was put into. I'm just not somebody you can just snatch up. You gotta work and prove yourself and let me know that it's worthy of me to even, you know, entertain it. You know? Whatever keeps me happy, sets you free. So I'm thanking you for knowing exactly what a girl wants, what a girl needs. For sure. Definitely see value, especially for an upper echelon man like that. They have to see value in the woman, because what can you do for a man that has everything? For knowing exactly. Definitely. Educated hood. I'm street and book smart. They say you can take the girl out the hood, but you can't take the hood out of the girl. So now, I definitely be trying. I'm just not ghetto, y'all. I'm just not a ghetto girl. I can get a little ghetto. I don't know what I am. Shit. I got a little bit of this and a little bit of that in me, okay? A little bit of this and a little bit of that. I got a little bit of this and a little bit of that. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. I don't like to have my hair in my face when I'm sweating. So as I'm sweating and I'm absorbing the sun and the sweat is drying, I don't want to have my hair in my face to get in my pores, because my pores is opened up, and then that's how your face can break out and stuff. And as y'all can see, I don't got no breakouts. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. It's been a long time coming, because I kid you not, about 2 years ago, a year and a half ago, maybe like a year and a half-ish, I went to go get a facial. Skin was cool, feel me, don't get me wrong. And I got a massage, facial massage and all that shit. And the products that she used on me, I ended up purchasing those products, and I was using the products. And people, what is people doing? What are y'all doing? The police is right there. I just wish they would just pull over these damn cars. Wow. Wow. Nobody is stopping for this car. I mean, this. And the police are right there. Nobody was stopping for this ambulance. They just kept no respect. Anywho. Oh, I purchased the products, right? And it broke me out so bad. Like, it was so bad to the point where it was uncontrollable. Even my man was like, man, throw that shit in the trash, right? So I'm telling the lady, I'm calling the lady like, hold up. These products that you got me using is breaking me out. And she was like, oh, it's gonna get worse before it get better. So I'm like, okay, so it never got better, so I ended up throwing away the products. And I was like, you know what? Let me stick to what I know. Let me go back to what I know in my original skincare. And I did it, and I did it, and I did it because, and after I was able to, you know, control it, now my face, no breakouts. Now my face is clear. I've not been breaking out. I went through the healing process. I'm like 95% back. You feel me? Now I do my own skincare, stick to what I know, all the natural was using this other vitamin C one, I changed it to the Korean product that I was using. So I took it out, so everything is just Korean. What did you do to get your skin clear? I just joined. Your skin looks great. So I canceled. So the products that when I went to go get this facial and this massage facial, the products that she had me use is what broke me out real bad. And it was hard to gain control back of my skin. So I threw away the products completely, and I start using all natural products when it came to toner, moisturizer, and stuff like that. So I did simply just witch hazel just for the cleanse, light cleanse, witch hazel, that's a cleanse and a toner. And then I got me a 7-day scrub that I was using, you know, and I was using it every day, just scrubbing my face, getting all them old follicles open and stuff like that. And now I don't use my scrub every day, because you know when you use that facial scrub, it like opens up your pores, and you gotta watch when you be using that when you use certain things, it won't like mess up your face, because you can't, and it can burn your face too if you don't pay attention. But I just start using all natural skin products and just give myself a break, just washing my face day and night, and stop using that girl's products. And I finally got back to my skin. Like, it's not 100%, but it's like 90%. It's way better. I remember when I could not control it, y'all. And even when I threw away her products, it was still hard to really gain control, because it was so far gone. My skin was tore up, you guys. I could not make this up. So right now I'm just going through the re-healing. It's still healing. It's still trying to get back my pores and my dark spots, little dark spots that I do have from where the acne was. But it's coming along, so I cannot complain. So I'm excited about that. So just keeping it up, just managing my breakouts and stuff like that, not messing with my face, touching my face. And I usually change my beddings like at least 2 to 3 times a month. I be trying to like change it like every 2 weeks. I be trying to change it. It just depends. I will change my bed and change your pillowcases and stuff like that. So that's important too. So yeah, very much so important. I need to go into my daycare real quick, you guys. I gotta try. Hello. It's me. How are you? I'm putting these menus in. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good.
I left my key, sorry.
Huh?
Hey, I left my key.
Oh.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I just left the gym. I'm a little sweaty.
That's okay.
How you feeling?
I'm good.
That's good. I'm in and out. I'm about to just put these menus out. I'll talk to Miss Fair. I know she's on her break right now. What's the matter? What's the matter? It's okay. It's okay. What's the matter? What's the matter? You wet? You wet? You wet? You wet? What's the matter? What's the matter? Why she crying. That's the new one, ain't it?
Yeah, she sound.
She new.
You ever take the shoe off?
Your feet hurt?
Yeah, these is tight. Take them off.
Your feet hurt?
Ooh.
Okay. Lift your leg up.
Oh.
That feel better? Can I have a hug?
She real.
Thank you.
Junior. You only gonna need a move.
What's your name?
Maya.
What's your name? My
Right.
name is Miss Elena. Can you say Miss Elena?
Yeah.
Miss Elena?
Yeah,
How old
Junior.
are you?
Come on, come on.
Huh?
Come on.
You what? Are you okay? Your feet feel better? Let's sit down in your car and let's rest, okay? Let's relax, okay? We're gonna relax a little bit. You want me to change him? You sure? I was about to change him. You got him?
Oh, you want to change?
I can. These need batteries.
That ain't gonna work.
It needs batteries. It's soap in there.
Get on my
We
mouth.
can use this right here. You need gloves?
For real? Yeah.
I think these might be too big. Let me see. Let me get the key. Let me get the key.
She said they were too big. I thought she said they were too big over there. You didn't want somebody to hold you.
He probably was just crying because he wanted his diaper changed.
You didn't want me to hold you.
Let's see. Oh, these is huge. Okay, so I'll get some smaller ones. Okay. Dang it. Okay, yeah, we could use them for sure. We could just put some over here for now.
Because of real small and stuff.
Okay, I'll order some different ones when for next month.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I do see them.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that works. And we got the soap over there. Okay. Batteries for this. I think I have the batteries in the drawer. Or they might be at my house. Let's see.
Ooh. Ooh, you full of it.
How do you open this? Okay, please connect to terminal. I don't know how to open this. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Yeah, just make sure, like, darn it. Okay, these are double A. Okay, I think I got double A batteries. Dang. They at my house.
She got a bunch of them.
Where?
Wait a minute. I think I got some of that shit.
You know where they at?
I'm gonna check and see if I got some of that.
What's the matter, Kazi? Kazi. How many is it? These is trash. Oh. Okay, these is trash. Thank you. Oh, she got all sizes.
You gonna hold that camera.
Oh, him spoiled. Let's see if this works. Okay. Why are you pushing it down? It's showing up blue. Oh, there we go. It worked. There we go. Alright, it works. Okay, let me go check it. The kids' bathroom or staff bath? The staff. Okay. The kids' bathroom. Alright, yeah, they're coming. They was out here this weekend, so hopefully this week I should know what time. Alright, let's go to the staff.